Hey guys, today we are going to make capsicum halwa. For that we'll need sugar, grated capsicum, grated coconut, semolina and milk and water for boiling. So let's begin. First we'll put water into a pan and then let it heat. After this we'll be adding the capsicum, grated capsicum into the water. Now we need to add the alum into the mixture so that it nullifies the taste of capsicum. Now we'll need to stir it so that the alum dissolves properly. Now we'll need to strain it. Actually we need to do it for 3 to 4 times so that the taste nullifies. We'll strain it and then we'll go back to the main process. See, this is the strained capsicum. Now we'll start the process of making the halwa. First we'll heat some ghee into a pan and now we'll start adding the ingredients. First we are going to add semolina and then we'll just roast it in the ghee. Now I've added grated coconut also, and now we'll be adding the capsicum which we blanched previously. You need to stir it all this for 2 to 3 minutes so that it gets roasted nicely. Approximately it will take around 6 minutes total. Now we are going to add sugar. Sugar you can add according to your taste. Here I don't eat and I don't prefer that much sugar, so I'm adding a little bit. You can add according to your taste. If you eat a lot of sugar, you can add more sugar. If you don't eat that much sugar, then you cannot. Then you can avoid sugar that much. After roasting it for around 8 minutes, we'll be adding milk little by little in 2 batches. And then we'll cook it around for 15 minutes so that it forms halwa consistency. It's been around 10 minutes. Now we need to cook it more 5 minutes. See, now it's forming the halwa consistency, and now in 2 minutes the halwa will be ready. Now see, the halwa is thickened and now we'll plate it up. You can plate it according to you.